Hello, Basic Nutrition Science class. I'm here with our first video on Chapter 7, Energy Balance and Weight Control. I'm outside because it's such a nice day today. I hope the noise from the neighborhood doesn't become too disruptive. Noise from inside my house could be disruptive anyway as well. I miss all of your faces. Wish we could be together face to face, but until I see you next time, this will have to do. So I'm using this app to do the recording, and it limits lectures to 5 minutes. So I've already taken up probably a good minute. So you'll see several videos for each chapter, and I've really tried to pare down the information so that we're not spending a lot of time and a lot of bandwidth on watching these videos. So you're still responsible for the connect assignments and reading the chapter and looking over the PowerPoint, but know that the information that I present in the videos is going to be what we'll focus on in our exams. So without further ado, let's chat about Chapter 7, Energy Balance and Weight Control. And the first slide has a comical picture here. It has two women eating fast food, and it says, how many calories do you burn by downloading diet apps? Remember, we talked about that MyFitnessPal app in class, and I showed you how to download that. Well, those only work if we use them. So hopefully during our quarantine, you're able to spend some time and use those apps and see, track your intake and see just exactly what you're eating. So this is not a mystery. We've talked about this a lot in class. Almost 70% of North Americans are overweight and 34% are obese. I like to show this map. Here in 1991, there was no one in this red category. So that's percentage of adults who are obese. 1991. 2001, the color's getting a little yellower. And then look in 2013, and we have several states that are in that 35 percentile where the population is obese. That's 2013. Imagine what it is now in 2020, and imagine what it might be after this quarantine. So here's a very simplistic explanation of weight control. You see this gentleman here, he's eating 3,000 calories, then he's working off 3,000 calories by exercise, and his weight stays the same. So he's in an energy balance. And then we'll contrast that with this woman here who's eating 4,000 calories a day and only expending 2,000 calories a day, and we see a weight increase. So that's positive energy balance. And then we'll see a negative energy balance where this man is eating 2,000 calories a day and then expending 3,000 calories, and he has a negative energy balance. So his weight is changing. Seems fairly simple and probably too simplified that we see, just burn more calories than you take in. But a lot of us have other factors that impact our weight loss, like our employment, our personal health, medications that we may be taking, and access to food. So our body uses energy for basal metabolism, which we'll chat about shortly, physical activity, and then the digestion, absorption, and processing of food. So things that affect that basal metabolism, this is how many calories our body burns just at rest. So the taller you are or the more you weigh, the more calories your body burns because it needs to work through a greater mass. Remember, we talked about lean body mass and muscle being more energy. Excuse me, I'm listening to my neighbor's chat over there. Muscle being more metabolically active than fat. So the more muscle you have on your body, the higher your metabolism will be. Gender, those of you who are female and you've tried to lose weight with your male partner, you may notice that they can make one or two small changes and all of a sudden they drop 6 pounds, where we're working hard and maybe we're only dropping 1 pound. Males have a higher basal metabolism than females. Body temperature. The higher your body temperature, the more calories you burn. And then thyroid hormone has an impact